हेलो एवरीवन। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो में हम अप टू टोटल्स मिसैलनी की बात करने जा रहे हैं। अगर हम टोटल्स मिसैलनी की बात करते हैं, टोटल्स मिसैलनी इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड सॉन्ग्स एंड सोनेट्स, और ये फर्स्ट प्रिंटेड और एंथोलॉजी ऑफ इंग्लिश पोएट्री है जो फर्स्ट पब्लिश हुई है रिचर्ड टोटल के द्वारा इन 1557 में लंदन में। आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो पहले हम स्कॉटिश चौसेरियंस देख लेते हैं कौन कौन से हैं। जॉन बार्बर, जेम्स फर्स्ट ऑफ स्कॉटलैंड, रॉबर्ट हेनरिसन, गैविन डगलस, डेविड लिंडसे और विलियम डनबार हैं। ये सारे स्कॉटिश चौसेरियन हैं। और अगर हम ड्रामा की बात करते हैं तो इसमें जॉन हेवुड हैं, निकोलस उडल हैं, टॉमस नॉर्टन है, टॉमस सैकवाइल, अर्ल ऑफ डॉर्सेट हैं। और अदर पोएट्स जो चौसर के बाद आए हैं उसमें हैं टॉमस हॉकलीव, जॉन लिडगेट, जॉन स्केल्टन, स्टीफन हॉस और अलेक्जेंडर बाकले। प्रोज राइटर्स जो चौसर के बाद आए हैं उसमें रेजिनाल्ड पिकॉक हैं, विलियम कैक्सटन हैं, जॉन फिशर हैं, सर टॉमस मोर हैं और ह्यू लैटिमर हैं। आइए अब हम एमसीक्यूज देख लेते हैं। जेम्स फर्स्ट ascended the throne in 1603. Mosques arose during the reign of James I. Ben Jonson became well known during the reign of James I. No bishops, no king policy is associated with James I. The authorized version of the Bible appeared during the reign of James I in 1611. Robert Henderson's work Orpheus and Eurydice is an adaptation of Boethius' Consolation of Philosophy. Who called whom the incomparable light and glory of English letters? Erasmus ने जॉन स्केल्टन को बोला है। Who praised John Skelton for his classical learning and for his polished and ornate terms? कैक्सटन ने प्रेज किया है जॉन स्केल्टन को उनके क्लासिकल लर्निंग के लिए और उनके पॉलिश्ड और ऑर्नेट टर्म्स के लिए। Who described the subject matter of Skelton's The Tuning of Eleanor Rumming as beastly? Pope. Skelton's style of using irregular headlong lines with apparently no meter or rhyme scheme is known as Skeltonics. John Skelton's Why Came a Not to Court is addressed to Cardinal Wolsey. Skelton is known for his satires, which in spite of their shuffling and scrambling meter are sharp, witty and nearly always alive. Lydgate's Story of Thebes can be considered an addition to Chaucer's Canterbury Tales. Ship of Fools by Alexander Barclay is the translation of a French work by Sebastian Brand. The earliest pastoral in English literature is Eclogue by Barclay. The second Nun's Tale in English in the Canterbury Tales is based on Caxton's translation of The Golden Legend. Thomas More's Utopia can be considered a companion piece to Erasmus' Praise of Folly. Name the philosophical romance written by Bacon based on More's Utopia. कौन सा है philosophical romance जो बेकन के द्वारा लिखा गया है और टॉमस मोर्स के यूटोपिया पे बेस्ड है? द न्यू एटलांटिस है। Which are the two poems of Thomas Sackville published in William Baldwin's 1563 edition of A Mirror for Magistrates, Induction and Complaint of Henry Duke of Buckingham है? The first English tragedy was written by Sackville and Norton in 1562. William Caxton established his first printing press in 1476 at Westminster. Who is the poet known entirely for Bruce? 1375. The national poet of Scotland, John Barber. A Letter of Cupid and the Regiment of Princes are 15th century works by Thomas Hockley. The Thistle and the Rose and the Golden Tars are allegories by William Dunbar. Name the two most remarkable ballads of the 15th century. The Nun, Brown Maid and Chevy Chase. Give an example for the morality play of the 15th century. कौन सा है? एवरी मैन है, ये मॉरलिटी प्ले है। 1490 में आया है। और द ओरिजिन ऑफ इंग्लिश ड्रामा इज एट्रीब्यूटेड टू लिटर्जिकल सेरेमनीज। द बेस्ट ऑफ जॉन हेवुड्स इंटरल्यूड्स इज द फोर पीस। द फर्स्ट रियल कॉमेडी इन इंग्लिश इज राल्फ रोस्टर डोस्टर बाय निकोलस वुडल। What is the subtitle of Gorboduc, the first English tragedy of the Senecan school, Ferex and Porrex? Who was the first person to use blank verse in English drama? So पहले इंसान कौन थे जिन्होंने ब्लैंक वर्स यूज़ किया है इंग्लिश ड्रामा में? सैक वाइल है, इन्होंने गारबोडक में यूज़ किया है। द वॉइस ऑफ द क्लर्जी वॉज सैटराइज्ड इन बुक ऑफ कॉलिन क्लॉड बाय स्केल्टन। The Life of John Picus and the History of Richard III are prose works by Thomas Moore. The Scottish Chaucerian who first translated Virgil's Aeneid into English is Gavin Douglas. Moore's Utopia was first published in 1516 में publish हुई है टॉमस मोर की यूटोपिया। और Moore's Utopia was translated to English by Ralph Robinson in 1551. The term Utopia indicates a kingdom of nowhere. The authorized version of the Bible is based on the translation by Tyndale. The Ways of Perfect Religion was written by John Fisher. The Spanish Armada was defeated in 1588. Moore's Utopia was inspired by Plato's Republic. Who has been called the first of the modern pacifists? Thomas More कहे जाते हैं। The translation of the Bible began by Tyndale was completed by Miles Coverdale in 1535. The English Book of Common Prayer adopted in 1549 as the official prayer book was prepared under the initiative of Archbishop Thomas Cranmer. Name the famous anthology published in 1557. कौन सी फेमस एंथोलॉजी है जो 1557 में पब्लिश हुई है? टॉटल्स मिसेलनी और सॉन्ग्स एंड सॉनेट्स। Wycliffe translated the New Testament. Who translated the Old Testament? Herford. Who wrote The Wolf and the Lamb? Robert Henderson ने लिखा हुआ है। In Gavin Douglas King Heart is the heart of life. The Palace of Honor was written by Gavin Douglas के द्वारा लिखा गया है। Wycliffe's translation of the Bible was revised in 1388 by John Purvey. Dunbar's Allegory, The Thistle and the Royce celebrates the marriage of James Foe and Margaret Tudor. Which early 16th century clergyman who was burned at the stake is known for his sermons? Hugh Latimer. How many works have been translated by Caxton? कितने वर्क्स ट्रांसलेट किए गए कैक्सटन के द्वारा? 24. Which work is considered the true prologue to Renaissance? Utopia. Caxton printed Tom Morty the Earthen in 1485. Total Miscellany is a collection of 271 songs, sonnets and lyrics. Sackville's Induction was written in Rhyme Royal. Dunbar satirized law courts in his Tiddlings from the Session. The Fall of Princes was written by Lydgate. Thomas More became Chancellor in 1529 में Thomas More Chancellor बने थे. Dunbar's Golden Tours, Lydgate's The Temple of Glass और Stephen Hawes Example of Virtue and Pastime of Pleasure are all examples of allegories. ये सभी allegories के example हैं. The work by Hawkley, which is partly autobiographical and partly a satire on poverty, is La Male Regal. Who wrote The Dance of Seven Deadly Sins? किसने लिखा है? विलियम डनबार ने. The origin of eclogues can be traced back to Virgil. Hawkley's satire on women is a dialogue with a friend who is known as Chaucer of Scotland. William Dunbar. The first play in English with a regular plot, acts and scenes is Ralph Roister Doster. Magnificence is an excellent morality play by John Skelton. The Old Testament was originally written in Hebrew. So Old Testament किस में लिखा गया है ओरिजिनली? ये हिब्रू में लिखा गया है. वहीं न्यू टेस्टामेंट, द न्यू टेस्टामेंट वॉज ओरिजिनली रिटन इन ग्रीक. न्यू टेस्टामेंट ग्रीक में लिखा गया है. किंग स्क्वेयर वॉज रिटन बाय जेम्स फर्स्ट ऑफ स्कॉटलैंड. Hawkley's work written for the edification of Henry V is the Regiment of Princes. The 15th century prose writer who directed his attack at the Lollards in his works is Reginald Peacock. नेक्स्ट है हमारा द फर्स्ट कंप्लीट इंग्लिश बाइबल टू बी प्रिंटेड वॉज दैट ऑफ कवरडेल इन 1535. द ग्रेट बाइबल बेस्ड ऑन थॉमस मैथ्यूज pseudonym of John Rogers. Version 1537 was executed by a group of translators under the command of Henry VIII. To whom did the Pope give the title the Defender of Faith in 1521? So किसको पोप ने टाइटल दिया है द डिफेंडर ऑफ फेथ का 1521 में? हेनरी VIII को. कैल्विनिस्टिक जेनेवा बाइबल ऑफ 1560 is popularly known as Breach's Bible. Who are the four P's in Heywood's interlude? So four P's कौन है हेवुड्स के इंटरल्यूड में? पामर, पेडलर, पार्टनर और पोथेकेरी. नेक्स्ट है हमारा द फेमस ट्रेजेडी जोकास्टा बाय जॉर्ज गैस्कोगाइन appeared in 1566. The second English comedy to be published is Gammer Gurton's Needle. Who are the chief contributors to Turtle's Miscellany? Wyatt and Surrey posthumously. सो टोटल मिसलनी के चीफ कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटर्स कौन माने जाते हैं? वाइट एंड सरे को माना जाता है. जॉन बाबर्स ब्रूस gives a patriotic account of the life of Robert the Bruce of Robert I. In King's Square, James first sings about his love for John Beaufort. Henderson's work, which provides an alternative ending to Chaucer's Troilus and Cressida, is The Testament of Cressida. Dunbar refers to noble Chaucer in his The Golden Turge. The poem of Dunbar, which was considered by Walter Scott as the most repellent poem he knows in any language, is The Flying of Dunbar and Kennedy. The seven deadly sins in Dunbar's book are headed by pride. Douglas' translation of Aeneid was completed in 1513 में complete हुआ है. Douglas' allegorical poem Palace of Honor is dedicated to James IV of Scotland को dedicated है. The 15th century poet who received the title Orator Regius from Henry VIII is John Skelton. Lydgate's work, which presents himself as a Canterbury pilgrim invited by Chaucer's pilgrims to tell his tale, is The Siege of Thebes. Name two love allegories of Lydgate. कौन सी इनकी two love allegories हैं? The Temple of Glass और The Complaint of Black Knight. Barclay's work, in which he personally attacks Skelton, is The Ship of Fools है इनकी, जिसमें इन्होंने पर्सनली स्केल्टन को अटैक किया है. Peacock's work, which anticipates Hooker, is Repressor of Overmuch Blaming of the Clergy. Reynard, The Fox, The Golden Legend and The Game and Play of Chess were translations by William Caxton. Erasmus' Apothegmata was translated by Nicholas Udall. Thomas Hawkley translated the Latin work. कौन सा लैटिन वर्क ट्रांसलेट किया है थॉमस हॉकलीव ने? द गवर्नल ऑफ प्रिंसेस, विच वॉज रिटन फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ द सन्स ऑफ हेनरी IV. स्टीफन हॉब्स वर्क, विच फोरशैडोज द फेरी क्वीन, इज द पास टाइम ऑफ प्लेजर. नेम हेनरिसन्स वर्क, विच इज रिमेंबर्ड एज द फर्स्ट पेस्टोरल इन इंग्लिश. रॉबिन. Reginald Peacock, the opponent of Lollard movement, wrote Repressor of Overmuch Blaming of the Clergy in defense of the church. The Middle English writer who translated Higden's Polychronicon is John D. Trevisa. The mystery plays deals with scripture's history. Okay friends, thank you so much for listening me.